Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. Today our group project will be presenting about database project, which is Mocha Hijab Business. Next. Our team consists of 4 people. Firstly, Nur Shafiqa Izani, ID number 22006315. Next, Muhammad Ikwan Idraki, ID number 22007114. Thirdly, Salahuddin Yusof, ID number 22005845. Lastly, Farhan bin Virus, ID number 22006657. Next. Okay. This is the project overview, also known as the introduction to this project. Modest fashion has grown tremendously in popularity in the global fashion in recent years. The key feature of this category is the increased demand for hijab-related products known as hijab business. Has become an emerging market development.
Hi, my name is Nur Shafiqa Izani binti Johardi. So I'll be explaining about the ER diagram. So in this ERD, we have 15 entity and we only have 3 foreign key. There's same foreign key in the 5 entity. For example, for shop, we have MID. MID stands for Manager ID, Accountant MID, Supplier MID, Promoter MID, and last one is logistic. We also have MID. For the next example, for tailor, we have PID, which stands for product ID, runner PID, designer PID, stockist PID, customer PID, and that's all from me. I'll pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ikwan. So now I'm going to present about the data dictionary. So first here, as you can see, there is field name. Field name is for you guys to get more clear view. We put all of our attribute. So the data type of the attribute and data format for the certain integer attribute, the field size, the description of the attribute, and last but not least, the example. We just put the same example because it is only in the example. So this is all of the data dictionary. So I think that's all for me. So now I'm going to proceed with this presentation to the next person. Thank you.
This is the Oracle code table with 5 records per table. As you can see on the left, this is the coding on how we are going to create the table. There are also primary key that was located for all of the table, and there are 1 foreign key for tailor table. And there are also reference, for example, on how do the tailor to create the product. And on the right, this is the example of the table. As you can see, there are rows and columns. You can see the manager ID and the ID, the manager name with the name of the manager and the manager number, telephone number. Okay.
Okay, next, I will be presenting about 10 different queries and update and delete query. So as you can see, as picture, there are 10 queries. The first one is select from product with product name like RI, select from promoter with promoter name like N. And there are also union, there are also join, there are also inner join, full auto join, select from product where not in, fetch first, and order by. So for the next slide, you can see this is the example of 10 different queries, or I can say that I will show you there are only 7. So the first one is select from product with product name like RI. So as you can see this picture, RI means it will take the what you call sorry about that. It will take the character. No, the character is a alphabet, which is RI. As for example, as you can see, select from product is product. Product is a table name, where product name is a row. It's a column. I say column. Product name. As you see, this is the attribute. Three of them is the attribute: product ID, product name, and product type. So we select from the column or condition product name like RI. So it will take back of the alphabet RI. So it will show the RI. So that's one. And second is select from manager where manager name Nur Hafiza Bitijal. So this one is select from manager. So we select from table manager where manager name is the condition, which is the attribute equals to Nur Hafiza Bitijali. So it will take from the manager table and we select from manager name and is equals to Nur Hafiza Bitijali. So you can see this is the output. And the third one is select supplier ID from supplier union, select product ID from product. So you can see this coding means select supplier ID means it will take the attribute, or we can say the condition from supplier. So the supplier will take it from the table. Union means it will what is called combine together. You combine together and we combine with select product ID from product. So we'll combine with product ID also. Then it will show this output. All of the supply ID and product ID into one. Means with it combines with one each other like that. Okay. And the fourth one is select customer product ID, customer product from customer, and join the customer ID equals to product ID. So what it means is select from customer. So we will choose customer table, the customer product ID. As you can see below here, we select customer product ID, customer name, and product name. So it will take from customer table, and it will take from also product table. So there are three here we take, and then from means we take from customer and we join them with product. On customer.customer product ID equals to product ID. So it will take the foreign key, which will sorry about that, which will detect from customer product ID and product ID, which have the same foreign key. So it will show the query result or the output here, which has the same product ID and will combine together also. Okay, for the next slide. As you can see, this is select product type from product, where product type not in shawl, plate, and pleated. So it means it will select from product type, which is the condition, or we call it as attribute, from product, which is from the table, which is table product. So where product type means in the attribute or in the column of product type, we select not in means we select which is only not included the short and pleated, means we excluded, or we say which we not selected lah. So not in means like it won't show the short and pleated, so it will show the rest, which is the pin, short, and casual. Why is there another shawl? Because I have put another shawl too, so it will delete one shawl. So it will only show one shawl only. So you can see there's three of them. 1, 2, 3. And you can see it doesn't show pleated, so pleated is missing. So it doesn't include with pleated and shawl. So that is not in the operator. And the sixth one is select from designer, order by designer name. So select from designer, we select from the table of designer. And we use the order by operator. So order by means it will, what we call it, it will show in order. It will show in order by, for example, an alphabet, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G means it will show in same order like A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So as you can see here, I ordered by design name. So the design name is a what is it called, attribute or column. So you see the column, I select from the column design name. So I will order the designer name. So as you can see, Fatin, the F, Iman, Nur Liza, Nur Natasha, and Siti. So you can see A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, and the last is S. So I order the design name from A to Z. That's the order by operator. And the last one is select from website, fetch first two rows only. So basically, select from website, I will select from the table of website, and the fetch first operator, so I will fetch it for only two rows. So as you can see for the example website, actually there's 5 records per table, which is inside the website table. And now I only ask the, what I can say is, I code only for 2 rows. So I will select only 2, so it will show only 2 rows. The other 3, it doesn't show. So that is the 10 different queries, or we can say the example of queries. I'll show what I'm showing right now. Next slide. Okay, this is update query. So as you can see, I select from customer service table. So as you can see, the coding over here in the middle, update customer service set customer service underscore ID equals to 2005845, where customer service underscore ID equals to 213033. Okay, as you can see, I update the customer service table for the customer service ID only. So as you can see, I selected from number 5, which is the ID is equals to 213033. So this is before the update. And when I update the customer service, after the update, as you can see, I want to set it to customer service underscore ID equals to 2005845. So you can see it updated, one row updated. So it means you can see down here the picture of the new table which I updated at number 5, the row of 5. As you can see, it already changed it or already updated 2005845. You can see there's a difference before and after. So that's the update query I did. And next is delete query. So as you can see, the query is from the top of on my left. You see delete from this underscore ID equals to 871349. So what does delete query does? So basically delete query does is, as you can see, I select from table stockist, where I set the condition where do I want to delete it. Stockist underscore ID, I want to delete it, the ID which is 871349. So you'll basically delete the stockist ID at 871349. As you can see the picture on my left, the row 5 I select, it will delete this one. When I select the 871349, it will delete 5 of the rows. So as you can see the next picture on my right, you can see there's only 4 rows, or we can say only 4 columns like that. Okay, so see 1 2 3 4. So there's a difference. You can see before there's 5 records, and after there's only 4, which I use delete query, which is delete from stockist, where stockist underscore ID is equals to 871349. Okay, that's for all. Thank you so much. I hope you like it, and please give your feedback. Thank you.